I'm Ben Harris, co-founder and CEO of Drop, the smart kitchen platform that connects smart appliances to smart recipes to make perfect cooking simple. And today I'm going to give you a demonstration of cooking one of my favorite recipes, beef ragu, on one of the latest appliances that have been added to our ecosystem, the Instant Pot Pro Plus. You can see all the different brands that we're working with, but I just select the Instant brands, confirm Instant Pot is ready to connect. I just hold this button here, wait for it to beep, and press continue. My Bluetooth is on. I select my home network here, and boom, we're connected. Let's get cooking. I move over to the Discover tab. Right away here you can see the best way to start my smart cooking and a couple of suggested recipes. As you can see here, I've got a couple of great recipes, but I'm going to choose this rich tomato beef ragu from chloefoodie.com. Brings me right into the website. This is where, videos and cookies often pop up, and all I need to do is say view smart recipe. This is where we remove those pop-ups. We find all the key ingredients and ingredient steps, and now I can go start cooking. It says preheat the inner pot on saute, so I press start. It sends all the instructions to the pot. Add beef chuck to the inner pot. My timer's up. Oh, that smells unbelievable. 1 piece and 2 piece. Ooh, I am excited. 4-minute timer, again off in the app, as we just soften up these veg. I can take my time and relax here as well, knowing that I'm not going to burn this thing because I'm going to get the notification at the right time. In it goes. It's a nice bit of meat. Turn the beef chuck over and get it coated in the tomato sauce. Give it a bit of a mix. Secure the lid onto the Instant Pot Pro Plus. On it goes. Pressure cook on 45 minutes on max. If I was doing this manually, I'd be up and back from the appliance, checking exactly where it is. But now with this app, one button and away it goes. And it starts to cook with all the right time. I get my notifications on my phone, so I can just go and chill out. 3, 2, 1. One of the great things about the Pro Plus is that the steam comes off automatically. Now to cook the pasta. But let me show you one more thing with this appliance first. Alexa, ask Instant Pot to keep warm for 20 minutes.
It started manual keep warm in your Instant Pot. I can ask it to stop or cancel.
We've access to every single one of the controls or the presets within the Pro Plus itself. And now to preheat my LG oven for the garlic bread. Delicious garlic bread. Ragu is ready. My pasta is cooked and drained. Adding in my spaghetti. Oh, all of this beef has just absolutely fallen apart. Parmesan cheese on top. That's amazing.